Of due process that is demanded in a case like this. And so therefore, having made the ruling that this court assumed jurisdiction under the full faith and credit given to the processes of the House of Representatives, and knowing that it has jurisdiction, it proceeded with the trial, and so therefore, as much as we want to accommodate the desire of the defense, this presiding officer, with the permission of the impeachment court, regrets to deny the desire of the defense. So you proceed to present your evidence.
May we know if the defense is ready, Mr. President?
We are ready, Your Honor.
All right, proceed to present your evidence.
May we call on Congressman Tobias, Your Honor. Tobias Chanco, Your Honor.
What is the purpose of this witness?
Well, we ask permission, Your Honor, that Attorney Dennis Manalo be allowed to handle the taking of the testimony of this witness, Your Honor, and I will state for the record the purpose for which Congressman Tobias will be presented as a witness.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel for the defense may proceed.
Good
Please
afternoon.
state the purpose of this witness.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes.
We are presenting, Your Honor, Congressman Tobias Chanco to prove or lay the basis or introduce the factual background, Your Honor, of the material defenses in CJ Corona's answer for all the articles of impeachment. Particularly, Your Honor, we are referring to paragraph 2, paragraph 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, Your Honor, of the prefatory statement, Your Honor, in the answer. With the permission
Of the articles of impeachment.
Yes, Your Honor, for all the articles of impeachment, Your Honor.
Are you going to present him to establish the fact that there's no verification?
Your Honor, in view of the ruling of the Honorable Court, we have decided, Your Honor, to forego that purpose.
All right.
Because it will not serve any useful purpose in the proceedings anymore.
All right, proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Put him under oath.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in these impeachment proceedings?
Yes, Your Honor.
So help you God.
Thank you.
Counsel, proceed.
Mr. President, just a parliamentary inquiry. Did we hear the counsel state that this witness is being presented for the articles of impeachment, Article 1?
All the articles of impeachment.
All
Your
the
Honor.
articles of impeachment. Mr. President, we have discussed this in caucus earlier, and the issue of whether or not evidence can be presented on the other articles other than 2, 3, and 7.
We have already made a ruling to that effect. In fact, I read the ruling orally into the record that this court will not allow any reception of evidence on Articles 1, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Neither the prosecution nor the defense will be allowed to present any evidence for or against these 5 articles because it has been withdrawn by the prosecution and this court will not consider them at all. They will not vote on them, they will not accept any evidence on them, and they will not render any verdict on them. And so, be guided accordingly.
Yes, Your Honor. When we referred to all articles of impeachment, it is understood that we are only referring to the remaining articles of impeachment that have not been withdrawn by the prosecution. Your
Proceed.
Honors. Good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Witness, since when have you been a congressman?
I've been congressman since noontime, June 30, 2010, and this is my first term as congressman of the Lone District of Navotas, Your Honor.
For the record, Mr. Witness, can you just please state your name?
I am Tobias M. Tiangco of 90 M. De Vera Street, Navotas City. Tapos na, nag-oath na ako, boss.
Yeah. And Mr. Witness, for the record, what district do you represent?
The Lone District of Navotas City, Your Honor.
This is the fishing capital of the Philippines, am I correct?
Fish trading capital of the Philippines. It used to be the fishing capital, but it's now the fish trading capital, Your Honor.
And Mr. Witness, what is the estimated population of Navotas?
During the census of 2007, I think it was over 250,000, more or less, Your Honor.
Prior to being a congressman, Mr. Witness, have you occupied any other government position?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po yung mga position na ito?
Ako po ay naging acting mayor from June 30, 1998 to February 1, 1999. Ako ay bumalik sa pagka-vice mayor from February 1, 1999 to May 2000. At nung namatay ho yung nakaupong mayor, ako ay nag-assume ng post ng mayor ng May 2000 hanggang 2001. Tapos ako ho ay tumakbo ng mayor ng 2001, 2004, and 2007, Your Honor.
Napakahaba po ng inyong pinagsilbihan sa inyong bayan ng Navotas. Tingin ko'y mahal na mahal ho kayo ng mga Naboteños.
Yes, Your Honor. Diyan na ho ng
No,
team ko.
There's no question there. May we ask that be stricken from the record?
No. Wait a minute. Counsel, proceed. You're on direct examination.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, you mentioned that you are a congressman, a first-term congressman. Are you familiar with the duties of a congressman?
Yes, based on the rules of the 15th Congress, I am familiar with our duties and responsibilities, Your Honor.
And what are your duties as a congressman?
Mainly, it's legislative work. It's attending, if you will define legislative work, most of the legislative work is attending committee hearings and, of course, in the afternoon, attending plenary sessions, Your Honor.
Aside from these activities, are there other activities that you participate in as a congressman?
Formally, none, Your Honor, but there are other informal functions and other informal meetings, Your Honor.
What are these informal meetings? What are they called?
Social gatherings, caucuses.
Ano po ba itong caucus? Yung sinasabi niyong caucus, ano po yun?
Doon ho sa House, ang caucus ho is a private meeting of a group of people depending on what type of caucus. No? Depending kung anong caucus ang sinabi. Pag sinabi hong all-member caucus, ibig sabihin ho, caucus ng lahat ng miyembro ng House. Pag sinabi hong all-majority caucus, yan ho ay caucus ng lahat ng miyembro ng majority. Pag sinabing minority caucus, yan ho ay pagpupulong ng mga miyembro ng minority. Pag sinabing party caucus, yan ho ay caucus ng isang partido. So depende ho kung anong klaseng caucus po, Your Honor.
Ano po ba ang ibig niyong sabihin sa majority sa Kongreso o mayorya?
Base ho sa aming rules, yung hong mga membro